Morning students, let's continue the chapter. In last class, you have already learned about how the early men communicate with each other and how a modern man communicate with each other. We discussed about the cheapest means of communication, that is the post office. Okay. We have also discussed about the telegram. Now you know about the telephone, fax and email. You also know about some means of mass communication, that is newspaper, books and magazine, radios, the cinemas and the television. So students, today we are going to start our next topic, that is artificial satellite. Artificial satellites are man-made devices launched into space by a rocket. They orbit around the earth. They keep in space for long period. Different satellites are launched for different purpose. Weather satellite give us information about weather condition. Geographical satellite provide information about earth resources. Communication satellite relay telephone and television signals. These satellites are more clear and speedy. These satellites allow live transmission of events to all parts of the world. They have made it possible to have live programs in which people in different parts of the world can talk to each other directly and ask questions. Such programs are called Space Bridge. Navigation satellites tell you the location where you are. It is useful for mobile phone users and sailors. Some satellites are fitted with powerful cameras. These cameras take pictures of the Earth's surface and atmosphere. These pictures help in making weather forecast. They also help in making accurate maps. Man-made satellites have acted as bridge between people of the world. They have thus made the world much smaller. Students, satellite is a body that moves around a planet. There are many artificial satellites which are launched into space to orbit around the Earth. These satellites are sent into the space with the help of rocket. Okay. Different satellites are launched for different purpose. Here you can see the picture of weather satellite. It gives us information about the weather condition. Okay. This is your geographical satellite. It provides you information about the earth resources. Here is a picture of communication satellite. Okay. Communication satellites are mainly used in radio, telephone and television service. It is because of this satellite that television programs can be telecast to far off places. Okay, student? And these satellites allow live transmission or event to all part of the world. They have made it possible to have a live program in which people in different parts of the world can talk to each other directly and asking questions. Okay. Next is your navigation satellite. Navigation satellite tell you the location where you are. It is useful for mobile phone users, and with the help of navigation satellite, telephone service have improved a lot because of this navigation satellites. Okay, students? Some satellites carry very powerful cameras. they take photographs of the earth. These photographs are used to find the weather condition. Satellites can remain in the space for long period. Today we have about 5,000 artificial satellites orbiting the earth. And with the help of satellites, the world is much smaller for men. Okay students, so this is about the satellites. Now our next topic is advertisement. An advertisement is a message carried through a newspaper, magazine, radio or television. The purpose of the most advertisement is to persuade people to buy the advertised product. Advertisement carried in newspaper and magazine can reach only literate people. Radio advertisement have a large field. Advertisement on television have the most powerful effect. They have changed the lifestyle of people all over the world. But we have not be carried away by advertisement. We must ascertain the quality of the product before going for it. Fast means of transport and communication can prove very useful in time of emergency, like floods and earthquake. Help can be sent to affected areas and timely warnings can also be given. However, this can be used for war and destructions also. It is in man's own hand how he uses them. Students, with the help of advertisement, we can know more about the product. Advertisement carried out through the newspaper, magazines, radios, televisions, but we can't purchase a thing to know about only advertisement. We have to know whether the advertisement is right or wrong. The product, whatever we seen in the television, it's right or wrong, then we can go through it and we can purchase it. Okay, and advertisement through newspaper and magazine, it's very impossible to reach to illiterate people, but it is easily reached to literate people. But the advertisement given by radio and television, it reach very easily to hold all types of peoples. Okay, and they have changed the lifestyles of people all over the world. Okay students, we must be know about the product very well. Okay, we must ascertain the quality of product before going for it or before going to purchase the any product. Okay students, with the help of faster means of transport and communication, our life is totally changed. Whenever there is any emergency like floods, earthquake, we easily get a help of transport and communication. With the help of transport and communication, affected area are easily get the help in the proper time. Even the warning are also given by the people immediately. So this is possible because of faster means of transport and communication. But it is our own hand how we use this. We use for our own benefit or we use for anything else. So this is our own how we take use for our own life. Okay student, so let us recall what we have learned in this chapter. Okay, let us see the points to remember. Students, now you know the early man would send his message only as fast he could walk and run. Early men send their message by the pigeon, horse, camel, or they walk or they run. Okay, but the modern man can send his message as fast as he like. He can take any means of communication. Okay, the post office, telephone, radio and television are the cheapest means of communication. Later, parcel, greeting cards and money orders can be sent through the post office. Messages can be sent faster through internet and smartphone. Telephone is the fastest means of individual communication. With the help of telephone, you can talk to with only individual person. Okay. Radio, television, and newspaper are the means of mass communication. Radio and television can be used both for information and entertainment. Satellites have helped to send telephone and television signal faster and clear. Through satellites, television programs can be transmitted to all parts of the world. Advertisements are also a means of communication. They are carried through newspaper, magazine, radio, cinemas, and television. And lastly, we know that with the help of fastest means of communication, we can prove very useful in time of emergency like flood and earthquake. It is very easily we can people can help you and people can reach the affected area immediately. That's all for this chapter. Hope you understand. Thank you.